Hello guys, as you've seen from the previous video, I've installed the handbrake and the share shifter, and because of the handbrake installation I had to unplug my ABS module, and now I have no speedometer on my car. So in today's video we will fix that. Okay, so the first thing I'll be doing is removing the cluster. These two bolts from here. Now we just need to unplug two connectors at the back of the cluster. Boom, and just like that, the cluster is out. So the next step is to disassemble it. Okay, so to remove the back cover, I had to unscrew 4 bolts. But again, I'm not sure if it's like actually 4 bolts here, because it's not my first time opening it. So maybe I lost some bolts from the previous times. So yeah, I got this thing. This is a GPS speedometer from AliExpress. I want to place it right over here, something like that. So then I can put the cover back on. It will look something like this, you know, kinda. I think it might work. So for now, I need to get rid of this part here. I broke it a little bit. I don't actually need this one, so whatever. On the back side of the part where we have the actual speedometer, there is this plastic box like that. I wanna get rid of it, because then I will get the opening right over here, so I'll be able to put the wire through this opening to power up my speedometer. Yeah, because this GPS speedometer works from micro USB. For now, let's remove all this. As you can see, we have a small opening right over here. I'll be able to put the wire through. This is all the stuff that was removed. So I'm not the electrician, I don't know a lot about the car electronics. The only thing here I want to do is to make it look nice. For now, I will open this box. Oops. So what's the idea here? I don't have enough space to use the actual connector. I'll take 2 wires from this cable. I will solder them right over here. Okay guys, so I successfully soldered the wires and I didn't burn this thing. So it still works. And now I'll be mounting this back cover. Now I just want to measure it and make it centered. To mount it here, I'll use the double-side tape. And now it's mounted. And now we are installing these LEDs right over here. And now it's time to put the top cover. I'm honestly really happy how it turned out. And now let me just put the top cover back and figure out what to do with the powering option of this thing. So what we have at the back, we have these 2 wires. I'll grab my USB cable like this. I already cut it on this side. So I'll solder it right to these cables, and then I'll just plug this cable into my charger that I can plug into the cigarette lighter. Definitely it's not the nicest way to do it, but for now I'll be happy with that option. And yeah, let's just solder this cable. So everything's soldered. Now let's put it all together. As you can see, I plugged it into the charger and it works. Okay, and now let's just put it back into the car. Yo, it looks sick. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. Definitely I think this mod is not so much important for the car. Yeah, I just decided to show you how I'm doing things with my car. The weather is so good today. So it means that more content is coming with this car outside on the track. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.